Welcome to this next video, which will just explain to you how to correctly trade a demo account. Now, at first sight, you might think, well, what's even the need to have a explanation about trading a demo account? Isn't it self-explanatory that you got your demo account and you just use it for whatever purposes you want? Why is there a correct versus an incorrect way of using a demo account? Now, I got this wrong for years, the way I used my demo account, and even though I got it wrong, I was actually quite proud of the way I used to incorrectly trade my demo account. And the way I incorrectly traded my demo account is I traded it just like it was a real account. And for whatever reason, in my psychology, it is virtually, for myself, it's virtually indistinguishable between trading a demo account and trading my real live account. I didn't differentiate between the two. My psychology, my actions, everything that I did was identical, and I was actually really proud of that and thinking, gosh, I you know I, I'm trading this just like a real account. I'm not footloose and fancy free. So I was quite proud of it, and actually it was a real hindrance in terms of correctly trading a demo account, because the way you should correctly trade a demo account is with liberty and with freedom, and you should trade the demo account without thinking, with the full knowledge that this is not my real account. And what you will start to see is oh, when I follow my trade plan to the T, when I don't respond to every single contrary news report that goes against my trade, when I don't overmanage my trade, when I keep my stop in place, or where I thought it was, I don't tighten stops, oh, my results actually improve. And over time, that can translate into better trading. So the way to correctly trade your demo account is to see it exactly as it is. It's a demo account. It has there's no financial repercussions for how you trade it. You could blow it all up. You can spend every penny in the account, and it doesn't matter at all. You use it with liberty and thinking, okay, well, let me just say, if I put my stops, my entries, my targets, and I leave everything just as it is, how does my trading do? You might find that you're actually quite surprised when you don't overmanage it. So go away from here. If you've been incorrectly trading your demo account, trade it exactly how I've described it there. And if you have been correctly trading your demo account, well done you. You're miles ahead of me, and keep up the good work. I hope that's been helpful for you, for some people, and I hope that's confirming others in what you already knew. Thanks, guys.